Hi, I'm Tatiana with SpacesEDU, and in this video we're going to take a look at the Formal Admin Review tool. Schools and districts using SpacesEDU for reporting can use the Formal Admin Review feature. If you're a school or district administrator licensing reporting spaces and you would like to enable the Formal Admin Review option, please let your partner success specialist know. Administrators can review students' reporting spaces and mark them as reviewed. This feature helps align with reporting requirements and streamlines the approval process for reporting from term to term. To get started, simply log into your SpacesEDU admin account. And a quick note here, only the district or school admin with the highest level of permission can turn this option on for any applicable schools. From the dashboard, go to the Reporting Spaces tab to toggle the Formal Admin Review option on. Once toggled on, all administrators at the school or district level can access the Review Reporting Spaces option and mark reporting spaces as reviewed. If multi-term reporting is enabled at the district or independent school level, you'll be able to start a new term in this tab as well. Simply click Start Term and type Start to confirm. Before you do this, remember that starting a new term can't be undone. Once a term is closed, it cannot be reactivated and only one term can be active at a time. If you start a term by mistake, please contact SpacesEDU support at hello@spacesedu.com. Okay, now a couple of things to note when starting a new term. This will automatically close the previous term, making it read-only for teachers going forward. And this copies over the previous term's summary statement, areas of learning templates, additional supports, and their per-student settings, and visibility settings. This also makes the new term active for teachers with no posts carried over automatically. You can access the Reporting Space Review list from the Reporting Spaces tab or through the Classes tab. This comprehensive list includes class names, teachers, grade levels, the number of students reviewed and pending review, and even the percentage of spaces reviewed in each class. What you're looking at right now is a review list that has not been touched yet. From here, you have several ways to manage your workflow. You can utilize a search bar to find specific classes, use filters to narrow down your search by grade and teacher, and sort the list by class name, teacher, grade, or by the number of reviewed or pending reviewed reporting spaces. You can also perform group actions on select classes, allowing you to mark as reviewed, reset to review, or download reporting spaces in bulk. You can even download all reporting spaces for your entire school by clicking the button in the top right corner of your screen. To begin the review process for a specific class, just click the Start Review button. This will take you directly into the class's reporting space. Once inside, you can navigate from student to student using the left side panel to review the content in their respective reporting spaces. If you need to edit any of the summary statements or areas of learning comments or even proficiencies, simply click on Edit Report. Make sure to hit Save to confirm your updates. After any administrator or educator has edited a reporting space, you'll see a Last Edited indicator, showing when the last changes were made and by who. Once you've completed your review for a student, click the Mark as Approved button. Looking for a way to optimize your workflow, use the Review and Next button in the bottom right corner of your screen. This will automatically navigate you to the next student on your list. If you change your mind about approving a report, simply click on Approve again and select Mark as Pending Approval. If required, you can also download the Reporting Space PDF. Downloading this directly from the class provides you with even more flexibility to customize your selections. You can choose applicable students, summary statements, areas of learning, and specific teachers to include in the PDF. You'll notice that the final Reporting Space PDF will clearly indicate the administrator's name as reviewed and the date of review. Are you ready to make the reporting space visible to students and families? Simply click the Students or Family button in the top right corner. You'll then decide whether or not you want to give students and families access to comment on bookmarked posts and view proficiencies assigned on areas of learning. Once you've made the reporting space visible for connected families, you can email them the report PDF by clicking in the top right corner and selecting Email Report. Make all your selections before hitting Send. Curious as to what this looks like from a teacher's perspective? Here we are in a teacher's account. Right away, you'll see a clear indication of the admin review status on the reporting space card. For instance, here I can see that reporting spaces are currently pending administrator review. Heading into the reporting space itself, a teacher can quickly see exactly which reports have been reviewed and which ones are still pending. This clear visibility helps teachers understand where things stand. And for added transparency, the teacher can also see who has last edited the report. That was a comprehensive look at the formal admin review tool in SpacesEDU. We hope this video helps you streamline your reporting process. And if you have any questions or would like more information on enabling this feature, please feel free to email us at hello@spacesedu.com. I'm Tatiana with SpacesEDU. Thanks for watching.